Embark on a journey of pure chocolate bliss with our Chocolate Bliss Cake, a divine creation that's poised to captivate your taste buds and elevate your dessert experience to new heights. To commence this indulgent escapade, we meticulously craft a chocolate cake that's not just a dessert but a celebration itself. The foundation is laid with the finest cocoa, ensuring each bite is a symphony of rich and velvety chocolate goodness. This cake becomes the canvas for a masterpiece that promises to whisk you away into a realm of irresistible decadence. But the journey doesn't stop there. We delve deeper into the realm of chocolate ecstasy with a generous layering of silky chocolate ganache. This velvety concoction embraces the cake, infusing it with an intense burst of chocolate flavor that's nothing short of heavenly. Every spoonful is a dance of textures and tastes, creating a sensation that lingers on your palate and ignites the senses. To adorn our Chocolate Bliss Cake with an extra layer of opulence, we shower it with delicate chocolate shavings. These finely crafted indulgences add not only a visual spectacle but also a luxurious texture that enhances the overall experience. Each bite promises a harmonious interplay of smoothness and crunch, ensuring that every moment savored is an exquisite delight. Whether you're commemorating a special occasion or simply surrendering to the allure of sweet indulgence, our Chocolate Bliss Cake is designed to elevate your dessert cravings. It's not just a cake, it's a testament to the artistry of chocolate, a symphony of flavors that invites you to revel in the pleasure of the finest cocoa creations.